Dear viewers, today we are going to talk about how Himalayan singing bowls are made. In this video, we are going to explain how our Himalayan singing bowls are manufactured. At first, the most spiritual person among the staff worships the tool and furnace used for the production by joining his both hands. This worshipping process is done daily before starting the manufacturing process, as it is believed to have very high importance in terms of religious values, so as to prevent any unpleasant accidents while handling the tools, and the manufactured balls are perfectly made and have high healing power to flow pure messages to our mind, body, and soul. When workers are well respected and well paid, their working mentality becomes pure and undisturbed, which resembles on the output they produce. So treating workers with respect and having them work in comfortable environment is our company's top priority. Thus, the singing bowl produced by our employees produce best quality sound and vibration. Each year we perform 3 to 4 religious rituals, which also has a very high importance. The day during ritual, every employee go to the nearest pure water river and take holy bath and wear new clothes free from any impurities. Then after the factory is cleansed, worshipping ritual is done and everyone gather around to have the ritual feast on the same table. This gathering develops the bond between the co-workers and develops strong brotherhood among them. This is the secret behind why our bowls are popular around the world. The work division is done in accordance to the employees' mental and physical capabilities, and the group work of them together in fact resemble the full form of singing bowl, for which a group consisting 20 to 23 number of employees give continuity to the process. The ball made only in Purnima, that is full moon night, is called full moon ball, and the rest made on other days are called normal healing ball. The manufacturing process of full moon ball is slightly different than other and are made in limited numbers only. The full moon ball is only made by veterans who have performed meditation for a long time, and they are also vegetarians. On Purnima, that is full moon day, they meditate from early morning. That day, earth is in full energy and everything on earth produce pure energy. That day, veterans assigned on making full moon ball summon universal power on them through meditation. Then after sunset, the making of ball begins and they transfer the power summoned by them upon the ball. Therefore, full moon ball have very high amount of healing power. Whatever balls that are made on this day are full moon balls. So they are very limited in numbers and have a special category within other healing ball. After Purnima ends, the making of ball is paused for a while and those balls are transferred to a special meditation chamber near the production facility. Special type of ritual is performed to give the ball its full form, and only then the ball is ready to be sent to the market for sale. Thus, this ball is comparatively more expensive than other balls. Molten liquid formed by heating the mixture of gold, iron, copper, mercury, lead, tin and silver in a carefully measured proportion is heated to 400 degrees centigrade, is placed in a ball-shaped mold made of clay and left for a day. Then the hardened material resembling the ball shape is removed from the mold and is again kept in an oven full of coal and heated until it turns red. The ball is then beaten by various tools and again placed in the oven. This process is repeated multiple times, approximately about 2 hours, until a perfect shape is formed. This process requires very careful technique and physical effort. The ball is dipped in salt water time to time during this process, which adds temper to the ball and also reduces smoke while heating. During this process, the workers must be very alert because this is a teamwork and a simple mistake from one person can cause severe injury. Also, the oven and the ball during this process are very hot, which also increases risk of burn. After 3 hours of continuous effort, birth of a ball takes place, whose final form is then given by putting it in a special cutting machine. A sharp cutting edge removes black spot on the outer surface of ball to make it more attractive. The workers are advised to protect their face during this process. The ball is then polished accordingly. Special staffs are hired for the quality check, weighing and final finishing of the polished ball, who are not as physically built as other workers. After thorough inspection of each ball, the balls which pass the quality check are sent to the market for sale. This whole process of ball manufacture takes about 4 hours each, which you can use for meditation, healing, musical instrument, and therapy. The balls made by this ball tend to have very high healing power, which we have personally experienced and heard from our customers, some of whom are experienced meditation teachers as well. If you are in search of such kind of high quality, authentic healing ball, then please contact our company for more information. If you are in search of such kind of high quality, authentic healing ball, then please contact our company for more information. We provide you signed paper to guarantee the quality of our products. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you